power of the tool exceeded my expectations.
The new die grinder is lightweight, it's comfortable to carry and use. It's very easy to get into tight spots because of its design.
It's lightweight and it runs really hard. The power on this tool is amazing. That thing spins a lot faster, I think, than what most people would give an electronic tool credit for.
It has enough power to do what you need to do, whether it's a small job or a big job.
The 4 variable speeds on it gives you a lot of, diversity with what you want to use it for. When you go onto that 4th level, it, to me, is the equivalent of an air tool. Anybody that's worked in the industry, I think that would surprise you, especially if you've been doing it as long as I have been.
Using the spindle lock, I can now change bits and attachments only using 1 wrench instead of multiple like I had to do with pneumatics.
I would definitely choose the battery operated one over a pneumatic. You don't have to worry about the air lines and you can grab it and go and work anywhere you want to. The battery is more quiet than air. You don't have the compressor coming on. You don't have to be dragging air lines everywhere.
The battery life is excellent.
Using one battery on a wide range of tools is fabulous.